Okay guys, I'm back. The Army or some type of military just drove by down Highway 3. This is where I'm at now by Taylor Automotive. I just dropped off my, Roger, his mom, and his sister. I can't see if you see me back that toward Highway 3. It's pretty deep here. Nick, we're good. I'm only ankle deep inside. It's pretty bad, guys. Everybody's walking, trying to get places. I'm on my way now to go get Sammy. I'm almost to Falco Street. Wow, I've never seen Dickinson like this in my lifetime. It's pretty unfortunate. I try to pan back around. I can't have it going on too long. My tablet's not waterproof. But I'm in the middle of Highway 3. If you can see, this is how high it is on the side. I'm just at a loss for words, guys. I just don't know what to tell you guys. I'm about to make the corner now to hit Falco Street and Highway 3. But I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys, really. I know I just repeated myself, but this is really bad. If anybody's in the area, you know, I do what I can. Thanks to Nick, I get to get around here and pick up people. There's a pretty heavy sheen of oil, probably gas, on the top of the road. But, oops. I don't know, my stuff's getting wet. Alright, I gotta go.